Continuing with our work to create a Kettlewell frictionless mouthpiece slider. This is a rounded top model, a one hole to fit a Seydel Saxony. We sealed the harmonica with clear packing tape up here so nothing can get through, and with tape here and here so that as we sanded it, goop wouldn't mess up the harp. You would really ruin the harp if you did that. But now we're done with that part, and so what we're going to do is just remove the tape. And since that's part of the process but pretty basic, I'll just have you watch it, and then we'll get into our next thing, which is drilling the hole in the slider. So you just kind of pull this tape off, no big deal. Now this is a very light adhesive painter's tape. You don't really want to use something that's strong or too sticky. I certainly would not use duct tape, nor would I use electrical tape, which leaves a residue. This blue stuff is a very weak tape. It's used for masking off of floors and woodwork by painters. And so now we're back to the harp. Now, the tape choice up here is clear packing tape because this does take a beating. And because I'm sanding, right on that top surface. So this one I do use a strong tape. Let me just kind of pull this off like this. Once we get it started coming off. Should come off in one piece, and it did. Okay, so now we're ready to go on to the next video, which is cutting the hole in the slider.